Next, question number 11 of exercise 13.1. It is given that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and BD by intersect at O. We have to prove that AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. So here, since these two lines are parallel, so angle ABO, this angle, is equal to angle CDO, this angle, and angle BAO, this angle, is equal to angle DCO, this angle. Since alternate angles are equal. Okay, so triangle ABO becomes similar to triangle CDO by AA property. So after that it follows that since the two triangles are similar, ratio of the sides are proportional, that is AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. That is first part. Then second part says the values are given for OA, OB, OC and OD. We have to find the value of x. So substituting the value, we have 3x minus 19, that is AO, by OC, that is x minus 3, is equal to BO, that is x minus 4, by OD, that is 4. So now on cross multiplying and solving this, we have 4 into 3x minus 19 is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 4. So here we have 12x minus 76 is x square minus 7x plus 12. So which on shifting to the one side everything, we get x square minus 7x minus 12x plus 12 plus 76 is equal to 0. So we have x square minus 19x plus 88 is 0, which on middle term factorization if we do, we get x square minus 11x minus 8x, the two middle terms, plus 88 is 0, or x taken common, x minus 11 minus 8 taken common, x minus 11 is 0. So we get x minus 11 into x minus 8 is 0. So x takes the value 11 or 8. Question number 12a. In this it is given AB is parallel to EF is parallel to CD. And the dimensions are given. We have to find out EF, that is this, and AC. Now we will consider the two triangles GFE and triangle GDC. These two triangles, in this, as these two lines are parallel, so this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this, alternate angles are equal, so these two triangles become similar by AA property. So we will write that GEF is equal to angle GCD and angle GFE is equal to angle GDC, since alternate angles are equal, and so these two triangles GFE become similar to triangle GDC by AA property. Then since these two triangles are similar, ratio of the sides follow, that is EG by GC is equal to EF by DC. So now substituting the values which we have, EG is 5, GC is 10, EF we have to find out, and DC is 18. which on simplifying we get 18 into 5 by 10 AC as 9 centimeter. Then we have to find out AC. So in order to find out AC, we will consider triangle CEF and triangle CAB. CEF, CEF and CAB. These two triangles are also similar by AA property because these two lines are equal. So this angle becomes equal to this, corresponding angles are equal. This whole angle becomes equal to this whole angle. These also forms corresponding angles which are equal. So these two triangles become similar by AA property. So ratio of the sides follow, that is CE by CA is equal to EF by AB. Now substituting the values which we have, CE is 15, CA AC, that is we have to find out, EF is 9 and AB is 15, which on calculating we get AC is equal to 15 into 15 by 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, which is 25 centimeter. Next question number 12b. Here it is given AF is parallel to BE is parallel to CD and the dimensions are given here 7.5, 3, 4.5, X and Y, and we have to find these values of X and Y. So for that we consider triangle EAF and triangle EDC. These two triangles EDC and EAF. So here this angle equal to this and this angle equal to this. They form alternate angles. So these two triangles are similar by AA property. So triangle EAF is similar to triangle EDC by AA, as since angle EFA is equal to angle ECD and angle EAF is equal to angle EDC. Alternate angles are equal. So ratio of the sides follow, that is y by 3 is equal to 7.5 by 4.5. So we get y is equal to 75 into 3 by 45, which on simplification we get 5 centimeter. Then next, in order to find X, we will consider triangle ACD, that is this triangle ACD, and triangle ABE, this triangle. In these two triangles, this angle equal to this whole angle and this angle equal to this angle, since corresponding angles are equal, as these two are the parallel lines. So here we have angle ABE is equal to angle ACD and angle AEB is equal to angle ADC. Here corresponding angles are equal. So triangle ACD is similar to triangle ABE by AA property. So the ratio follows. So ratio of the sides are equal. EB by DC, this side, is equal to AE by AD. Now substituting the values, X by 4.5 is equal to 5 by 8. So on solving this, we get x is equal to 4.5 into 5 by 8, which on simplifying we get 45 into 5 by 80. So 5 ones are 5, 16. 45 by 16, that is 213 by 16. Question number 13. In this is the diagram given and we have to find out AD. In order to find out AD, we have to prove these two triangles similar. That is, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACD. So we cannot prove these two triangles similar directly. So what we will do, we will first prove triangle ABD similar to this bigger triangle. Then we will prove ADC similar to this bigger triangle and then relate it. So we start with triangle DBA is similar to triangle BAC. DBA, this triangle, and the bigger triangle BAC. In this we have one angle 90 degree and angle B common. Okay, so we have in triangle DBA we have angle ADB equal to angle BAC and angle B is equal to angle B common. So triangle DBA is similar to triangle BAC by AA property. Now next we are going to take triangle ADC and triangle, this we have to prove. Okay, we have ADC and triangle BAC. Same way, in this and this bigger triangle we have angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, that is 90 degree. Here also this was 90 degree, and angle C is equal to angle C common. So we got triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC by AA property. So relating 1 and 2, this triangle is similar to BAC, this triangle is also similar to BAC. So from 1 and 2 we conclude triangle DBA is similar to ADC. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get triangle DBA similar to triangle ADC. Now since the two triangles are similar, ratio of the sides follows. BD by AD is equal to AB by AC is equal to AD by DC. From here, these ratios we require these two. So we get BD by AD is equal to AD by DC, or AD square is equal to BD into DC. So substituting the values here, we need value of AD. So BD we know it is, BD given is 2 and CD given is 8. So which is 16, or AD is equal to root over of 16, that is 4 centimeter. Then next we have question number 14. Question number 14, it is given that 15 meters high tower casts a shadow of 24 meters long. So this is the tower we consider and it casts a shadow. This is 24 meters long and tower is 15 meters. Another tower, height we don't know, which casts a shadow 16 meters long. Height of the tower we have to find out. So as we are considering the towers, we consider these triangles as right angle triangles and these two triangles are similar. So here 15, that is height of the first tower by pole length is equal to shadow of the first tower by shadow of the second tower. So pole length is 15 into 16 by 24. 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. So pole length is 10 centimeter. Similarly, question number 15, it is given a street light bulb is fixed on a pole. Question number 15, in this it is given that a street light bulb is fixed on a pole 6 meter high. So this is the pole length which is 6 meter high above the level of street. If a woman of height 1.5 meter casts a, this is a woman of height 1.5 meter and she casts a shadow 3 meter on the ground. Now we have to find how far is she away from the pole. So this distance we have to find out. So we are taking from here to here the whole distance to be x, and these two triangles are similar as these two are 90 degrees and this is a common angle. So ratio of the sides follows. 6 by 1.5 is 3 x by 3. So on calculating this we get value of x to be 12, and we need how far is she from the pole. So x minus 3, that is 12 minus 3, we get 9. She is 9 meters away from the pole.